Hey foodies, today's dish is a spicy Thai peanut salad, which like the entire Thai cuisine, offers nothing but a perfect balance of sweet, salty, spicy, and sour. So if your taste buds are pushing you to stay and watch, you better do so. Okay, the best way to start is making the sauce that will be also used as a dressing. Combine peanut butter, maple syrup, rice vinegar, and soy sauce, better to use a reduced sodium one, and whisk all together. It may seem that the sauce doesn't come together very well from the very beginning, but keep on whisking, or even consider using an immersion blender to make it faster. Then crush the garlic and the fresh ginger that has been already peeled in garlic press and add to the sauce. Give it a good stir and try. How does it taste? To my liking, it needs a bit more sweetness, so I've added about 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, but move on if it tastes right for you. Okay, stir, taste again. Ooh, now we're talking. Next thing to do is soak the rice noodles in boiling hot water. And while the noodles are softening, we can take care of the tofu. Use extra firm one as its texture goes really well with the rest of the ingredients. Warm a couple tablespoons of sesame oil in a skillet, drain the tofu and break it to pieces with your hand. Add 3 or 4 tablespoons of the sauce, stir well and let the tofu cook for a few minutes to absorb those flavors from the sesame oil and the sauce. Taste it. Mine was lacking just a bit of a salty kick, so I've added a small pinch. Now the onions. What we need here is half of medium-sized red onion, carefully sliced to very thin round slices, like so, and then set them aside. Drain the rice noodles, rinse them under the cold tap water, and let them drain while you start combining the salad ingredients. In a shallow, open mixing bowl, combine the shredded carrots, gently break the sliced onions into separate rings, and leave in a few for garnishing. Add them to the carrots. Then add the rice noodles, season with 3 or 4 tablespoons of the sauce, and mix well to let the ingredients get drenched in this umami-ful dressing. Transfer the salad into a large open platter and spread a layer of the cooked tofu over. Top it with fresh basil leaves and roughly torn fresh cilantro. Thai cuisine is famous by using a lot of fresh herbs pretty much in every dish, and this makes these meals particularly healthy, as even a small amount of fresh herbs enrich every meal with plenty of organic vitamins. Garnish with the remaining onion rings, 1 thinly sliced Thai red chili pepper, and a small handful of roasted peanuts. Sprinkle everything with 3 or 4 teaspoons of the dressing and juice from a small wedge of lime. And here it is, packed with bright flavors and a good kick of heat. This salad is ready to be served even as an independent dish. It is also 100% vegan, so those of you who follow a plant-based diet, make a note about this recipe. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description below, so check them out. Fabits has a growing collection of compelling recipes to inspire you discover new flavor combinations right in your kitchen. So I suggest staying around a bit and browse other Fabits episodes. Enjoy your visit, folks. Don't forget to subscribe if not already, and see you again in the next video.